Still Friday, the 27th of December. Just giving the John Deere 850 a once over. It's been a couple months since I last ran it. I put my good battery charger on it, the smart charger. It went to full charge in less than an hour. All the tires are properly inflated. I crawled all over and under it, grease and everything like it should be. All the fittings took grease. I was going to top off the tank with diesel, only took 1 gallon. These Yanmar series John Deeres are insanely fuel efficient, just crazy. No leaky. Sounds real nice. It's not very cold at all, so I couldn't get an indication of a cold start. The way this thing works, this is a diesel bowl, and it will get diesel. And when you go to cold start on the switch, the diesel drifts into the air intake. There's an element right here, and that will preheat some diesel before it goes into the cylinders. But we're not even close to being in cold start condition down here. About 68 outside right now. Use my Lincoln electric grease gun, but it's been so long since I used it. The installed battery lasted about halfway through the greasing cycle and it went dead. My backup batteries were both already dead. So I did a quick charge on one of my backups, installed it in the grease gun, it operates. I've got my Lincoln battery charging on the charger. And one of my new batteries I got off of Amazon for this grease gun came apart at the case, so I super glued it, got it set up in the vise here to hold it fast until the glue sets, and then I'll put it on the charger, bring it to full charge. The little drip on the floor was from the inlet to the overflow tank, the hose that goes into the tank, and I pulled it. It required about a cup of pre-mixed coolant to bring it to the proper level. Yeah, it's a real nice tractor. Purrs like a kitten. All of my idiot lights work. That's a temperature light. It won't work until it's in a high temperature mode, and I've never seen it come on, and the tractor's never gotten that hot. Even got a cup holder over there for my coffee cup, which I don't use when I'm spraying. I don't want to drink the herbicide. And, clutch is in good shape. PTO clutch is in good shape. This tractor will outlast me by decades. It's a nice one. I'm glad I put new rears on it. Expensive as heck, but these new rears, unless damaged, will outlast me. So that's all for this one. Thank you.